Today we are going to teaching how to exchange energy with big trees. Okay, so you have instruction on how to choose the tree. Usually, the bigger the better, and depending on your physical condition and the season, you can choose different type of tree. And first, you need to feel the tree. Make sure the energy is appropriate for you. You feel relaxing, easy, friendly. Not feel stick, spicy, or uncomfortable. Okay, so this is a big tree. I don't know exactly what tree it is, but it looks like it have good energy with me. I can feel some warmth and relaxation with this tree energies. So first we need make connection with the tree. Okay, and then we will exchange energy with the tree. And then we will have synchronized frequency with the tree. And finally, we're going to move and digest the qi. We have synchronized with the qi, with the tree. And to make connection with the tree, first you have hands stand about 1 feet away from the tree, and both hands palm facing the tree, touch the tree, and feel the energies. I usually doing 3 deep breathing. I can feel the energies. And then I will look up and look at the branches, and the branches start growing like animation, and growing all the way to the sky like a big antennas. And you can feel the energy. Your body was going with it. Your energy coming down from the heaven. And now we're going to do in 4 deep breathings. Okay, first one is inhale. Imagine the qi coming from the branches. Bring the energy from the sky all the way down and through your arm into your body. And then exhale and send the qi through Yongquan to Baihui. So that's the first breathing. You bring the qi down. You look up, bring the qi down. The second time, you're breathing in, is the qi from the tree, from the root of the tree, coming up. Inhale, and go through your arm into your body. And then exhale, send it to earth through Yongquan point. So that's 3 times. Doing inhale, the qi from the earth to tree, to your arm, to your body. Exhale, going down through Yongquan and to the earth. And then cycling 3 times. Now you make good connection with the tree. Okay, so you can make good connection with the tree as if your body is part of the tree now. So second step is exchange energy with the tree. There are many different methods to exchange energy with the tree. We're going to teach in 2 methods here. Number 1 is cutting the tree with imaginary knife. So your 2 hands facing each other like this, okay, like two different knives. And you can cutting from one side to another. You have down and up, okay, like cutting this like this, okay. You have down and up. So you have cutting down, inhale, and going up, exhale. You can. Okay, imagine your hands is inside the tree. You're going to slide it piece by piece, from right to left, and then from left to right. Okay, back and forth 3 times. Okay, I can going down and going up. Inhale and exhale, and inhale, exhale. Pay attention to the sensation of your hands, so you can able to exchange energy with the tree, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so this way 3 times, cutting in 3 small piece, back and forth. And after 3 times, you can move on. Another way to exchange energy with tree is the hands put on each side of the tree, feel the energy of the tree, okay? And you're going down, feel the qi going down with the tree, and going up, wrist, hands to the qi, like bring the qi up. So make sure your body was coordinate, going down, square down, and going up, your hands going up like this, okay? So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This will also exchange energy with the tree 18 to 36 times. 18 to 36 times. After that, you put your hands, after you exchange energy with the tree 18 to 36 times, and put your hands to the tree and feel the energy and make your body like become part of the tree. Okay? And meditation. meditation means inhale through nose, exhale, send the qi to lower dantian, but feel the body is part of the tree. This will be time you are synchronize the frequency with the tree. We call it resonance. Okay, so you can even imagine your body become part of the tree, growing up with the tree, and able to feel the tree's emotion. Okay, whether the trees feel happy or bored or anxious, you can feel the energy of the tree and growing with the tree. Like you are very tall, like the tree. Give this 3 to 5 minutes in the meditation mood. Okay, that's the meditation, what we call the resonance with the tree energy. After 3 to 5 minutes of meditation, and you close your hands with the tree and turn around. Okay, the back to the tree, about 1 foot away, and put hands in your lower dantian and meditate for 24 breathings. Okay, feel you are part of the tree, but now your attention to lower dantian. Try to digest or melt down the qi you have exchange with the tree, and counting for 24 breathing. Inhale, exhale for 24 times, or visualize energy ball in your lower dantian spinning 36 times clockwise and then 36 times counterclockwise. That's about 3 to 5 minutes. This will concluding the last step 4 of moving and digest the qi. And after that, you're going to do in quick closing for your meditations, like what you regularly do. Okay, so that's the main instruction for how to exchange energy with the tree. Keep in mind, your exchange energies, try to synchronize the frequency with the tree, not gathering qi from the tree. You do not have that power to get the qi from the tree, because the tree is life too. They have a spirit. So enjoying your tree exchange. Thank you.